Linky Kidz, Linky Kidz, Linky Kidz. The whale is huge with a mighty splash, jumping high with a powerful dash. The dolphin jumps so happy and free, playing in the waves, full of glee. The turtle crawls with a steady pace, gliding through the water, a peaceful space. The lobster scuttles with claws so strong, walking on the seabed all day long. The octopus moves with arms so wide, sink into the ocean where it hides. The seahorse dances slow and sweet, a tiny dancer with graceful feet. The starfish rests on the ocean floor, spreading out its arms, looking for more. The eel twists and turns with a slithery glide, moving through the water with nothing to hide. The jellyfish floats with tentacles so long, drifting in the sea where it belongs. The shark swims fast, sleek and bold, the ocean is its kingdom to behold. The penguin waddles ready to dive, sliding on the ice, feeling alive. The manta ray glides so smooth and wide, riding the waves with the ocean's tide. The seal barks loud and swims so fast, playing in the waves, having a blast. The shrimp scurries, small and quick, beneath the water it makes its trick. The crab moves sideways with a click, walking on the shore with its tiny stick.